Okay guys, this time we will add the Google Ads on the iOS application. And as for Google mobile ads, you must create your own account, but this time we will use all the information provided by Google for test. It's add mob app ID and add unit ID. We use these two things in the source. And to create this mobile ads, we need some Object-C source code. But don't worry about Object-C code. We will provide the code in the GitHub. You can get it here. But first, let's go through the Python part. As for kivy file, we don't change anything to this one. And for main.py, we just add several lines. So the first one is import auto class, and we add 3 methods to the main app class. The first one is create a Python object from Object-C object. So let me show how to build and create the iOS application. So we use kivy-iOS to create Xcode project. And open this Xcode project. And the next thing, first you should add the Google mobile ads package. So we get Google mobile ad package, and the project info playlist. Just paste the Google info here. So we paste the application identifier in all the network items to our project playlist. And for main.m, we first import header and the Object-C part. So we paste here, and add the units. This one we use the Google test ID. let's we paste the copy from here. Yes. And the final things, we make some change to the build settings. There will be 3 items. Oh, sorry. So enable module C and object C and other linker flag and header search path. Enable module to yes and other linker flag. And finally the header search path. So we begin to build this project. And we had some issues. Just press enter to accept the recommendations. And we can run it now. Okay, we get the test mode displayed. And for the size unmatched, just change the source. So I will show you this by changing the size. It will be here and some here. So the default size was 320 and we change it to 36 and another one here. So we run it again. Okay, this time we had this size matched. That's all for today's video. Thank you.